Hi students, hope you all fine. So we are going to discuss one more problem related to types of errors. We all know that types of errors are of two types. So related to that topic, so we are going to discuss one problem. So let's see what it is. In a city, the milk consumption of a family X is assumed to follow the distribution. Okay, so some family are consuming milk and they follows this probability density function. Okay, f of x equals to 1 by theta into e to the power of minus x by theta, where theta greater than 0 and x greater than 0. The hypothesis h naught. H naught is nothing but it is a null hypothesis. Theta equals to 5 is rejected in favor of H1. Okay, this is rejected in favor of H1. H1 is alternative hypothesis. Okay, if a family is selected at random, consumes 15 units or more, obtain the probability of two types of errors. What happened? They selected one family and it consumes. What is the probability that they consumes more milk? That is 15 units or more than 15 units. So what is the probability? You find out the types of errors they are asking us to find out and taking theta values 5 and 15. Okay, yeah, let's see, sorry, 10. Okay, let's see. Given that, first we'll write what are the given values. Okay, so given that f of x equals to how much? 1 by theta into e to the power of minus x by theta. Okay, and next H naught. H naught is nothing but null hypothesis. H naught theta equals to 5. So this is nothing but null hypothesis. Null hypothesis. Next, alternative hypothesis H1. Theta equals to how much? 10. Okay, and also here they gave theta greater than 0 and x greater than 0 they gave. That means positive values. So this is alternative hypothesis. Alternative hypothesis. Okay, yeah. So what they are asking us to find, if a family is selected at random, consumes 15 units or more they gave. Okay, so a family is selected consumes 15 units or more. That means we have to find out this by taking theta values 5 and 10. Okay, so how we can write this one? P of x greater than or equals to 15. Okay, we can write like this. Why? Because 15 units or more they told, no, so that's why 15 and more in the sense greater than. Okay, yeah. So first we'll write the critical region. Critical region. So critical region, it is denoted with omega. Omega equals to, first one what we have to take, x greater than or equals to 15. Okay, and omega dash in the sense what? X less than 15. Yes, no? So that means here one value we are going to take and test, here one value we are going to take and test, and those values we are keeping 5 and 10. Okay, so first type 1 error we are going to find out. Type 1 error. Type 1 error in the sense what? It is denoted with alpha. Okay, what is type 1 error? Type 1 error in the sense, the type 1 error occurs if we reject null hypothesis. If we reject null hypothesis, though it is true. It is true. That means what? The value of x is true also we reject. Okay, the value of x is true also we reject that hypothesis. That means what? How we can write P of alpha equals to P of x belongs to omega. That means we are taking in this critical region one value that its name is x, belongs to which set? Omega set. Okay, actually it is true. Okay, H1 is true. Okay, So that equals to, here h naught is true in the sense, what is the h naught value? Theta equals to 5 we have to take. Theta equals to 5. Okay? Yeah. What is the function here? 1 by theta 1 by theta into e to the power of minus x by theta. We have to take the function. Okay. So in theta place we are going to keep value 5. Why we are going to take value 5 in the sense, here x we took from omega. Omega is nothing but it is a null hypothesis. So h naught is also null hypothesis. So that's why here in place of theta we have to keep value 5. So that equals to integration. Limits what we have to take is, here the lower limit is 15 and upper limit we don't know. Greater than they told. Any number of observations we can take. So that's why here starting is 15 and ending is infinity. So 1 by 5 into e to the power of minus x by 5 dx. Okay, so now we have to integrate this one. So here we are going to take 1 by 5 as constant. So alpha equals to 1 by 5 integration 15 to infinity e to the power of minus x by 5, I think so. E to the power of x by 5. E to the power of x by 5 dx. So e to the power of x is, e to the power of minus ax is, integration of e to the power of minus ax is nothing but e to the power of minus ax by minus a. Isn't it? In place of a we are having 1 by 5. Okay. So that's why 1 by 5 integration of e power minus x by 5 by what? Minus 1 by 5. Coefficient of x is nothing but 1 by 5. Okay, and the limits are 15 to infinity. Okay, so here we can write minus 5 by 5, isn't it? So this denominator will comes to here, it becomes numerator. So into e to the power of minus x by 5. Okay, so 15 to infinity the limits are. So 5 gets cancelled. So minus of, now I am going to apply upper limit. E to the power of minus infinity by 5 minus e to the power of minus 15 by 5. Okay, lower limit I applied now. So that equals to minus 0 minus e to the power of minus 5 ones 5 threes. Okay, so minus 3. So minus minus becomes how much? Plus. That means e to the power of minus 3 is the type 1 error. Okay, alpha equals to how much? E to the power of minus 3. So now what we have to do is, we have to find out type 2 error. Okay. So type 2 error. So type 2 error is nothing but it is a beta value. So what is type 2 error? So when h naught is false, we accept h naught. That means what? Actually we have to reject it when it is false. When h naught is false, what we have to do? We have to reject. But here what we are doing? We are going to accept. So that means here there occurs error. That error is called as type 2 error. That is nothing but beta equals to probability of x belongs to omega dash. Now we are taking from this one value, from omega dash critical value we are taking one value, and what are the limits for x? Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 15. Till 15 only the x value should be. Okay, yeah, where h1 is what? We are going to take here h1. Okay, so integration 0 to 15. Okay, 0 to 15. Why? Because here x value should be up to 15. Okay, here lower boundary can be of 0. Okay, why? Because here they told that x greater than 0 they told, no, that means here lower boundary is 0 and upper boundary should be from till 15 only. Okay, yeah, 0 to 15. 1 by theta into e to the power of minus x by theta, and theta value we have to take here 10. Why? Because here h1, no, so what is h1 here? Theta. Okay, theta value 10, so that equals to 0 to 15, 1 by 10 into e to the power of minus x by 10 dx. Okay, so here 1 by 10 is constant, integration 0 to 15 e to the power of minus x by 10 dx. So same 1 by 10 into e power minus x by 10, integration is e power minus x by 10 by minus 1 by 10. So limits are 0 to 15. So here 1 by 10, this denominator value comes to here, that means it is numerator. So minus 10 by 10 e to the power of minus x value in the sense upper limit 15 by 10 minus lower limit e to the power of minus 0 by 10. So that equals to 10, 10 gets cancelled, minus e to the power of minus 15 by 10 in the sense what? 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10, minus 0. Okay. So this value is infinity. So here how much the final answer is? Minus e to the power of minus 3 by 2 is the final answer. Okay, here we got what? E to the power of minus 3 for type 1 error, and type 2 error we got e to the minus e to the power of minus 3 by 2, or else we can write this one as what we can write? Minus 1 by e to the power of 3 by 2 also you can write. Okay, so like this also you can write. Okay, so this is about type 1 error and type 2 error. Okay, hope you all understand. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for latest videos, and whatever the topic you want, you please comment so that I will try to make the video. Okay, so please don't forget to comment. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.